How's it going, everybody? Steven from Break Free Homestead. It's gonna be a quick little video. Our hens have been pecking each other and make their backs bare. It's crazy. We've tried to use the natural sprays and they just don't even last a day. So we switched to Blu-Kote, and I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do that. You could run around a coop back and forth, and it's gonna take you a decent amount of time to apply them if your chickens aren't just walking up to you. So what we're gonna do is you wait till it's dark, you go in there when they're roosting, and you use a super dim flashlight, and they will not even leave their roost. They'll just sit there, they'll make a little bit of noise like I'm gonna show you right here. All right, so doing this at night is not only gonna save you frustration and time of them running away from you, but it's gonna save you the spray. You're gonna lose a decent amount of spray trying to get the chickens as they run away. This is definitely the easiest way. Not sure how much you're gonna be able to see with a super dim light. We'll see if we can get it on camera. So they're all roosting up here, showing their backs to us, and they're not gonna move. They might make a little bit of noise, but other than that, we should be good. Definitely more controlled than doing it in a run. Let's see if we can spray these. Like, this roost back here is kind of hard because there's too many chickens in it. And this one's letting them know somebody needs to leave. It doesn't want to be her. Yep, I hear that. As you can see there, pretty easy. Only took a couple minutes. Minimal movement in the birds, so that's how to do it. We've been using this for about a week now, and we're having some birds that are feathers are growing back, so it's looking good for us, and we'll keep you updated. If this helped at all, comment down below. I make new videos every Friday. If you would like and subscribe, join our journey as we transform our property into a homestead. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.